Hi everyone, it's Miss Kelly from the Mifflin County Library. I'm back again to share another experiment with you. Today we're going to do the Skittles experiment. For this experiment, you need a package of Skittles, a box of Skittles, a handful of Skittles, whatever you can find or have on hand, a plate. Now, in my experiment, I'm going to use a white plate just so the colors will show up a little bit better. And then you will need some water. In my experiment, I use room temperature water. So go ahead and get your supplies. I'll get mine gathered up and we'll get started here in just a minute. All right, I've got my materials gathered up and now I'm going to put my Skittles on my plate. I'm going to put them on in the colors of the rainbow. Started with red, now orange, next is yellow. I'll put some green on my plate, and last but not least is purple. Now I'm going to take my water, and like I said before, I'm using room temperature water. I'm going to pour that right into the middle of the plate very carefully to not disturb the Skittles that I've put on the edge. And I'm going to pour that water until it gets all the way to the edge of the Skittles. And then what's going to happen, hopefully, is the color off of the Skittles is going to bleed into the water. Let's see if it works. Oh, look, it's working. Oh my goodness, that's happening so much faster than I thought it would happen. Look at how all the colors have stayed separate. Now, the reason it stays separate is because of the sugar levels in each piece of candy is the same. Now, if the sugar had been differently, maybe the colors would have mixed a little differently together. I don't know, it's hard to say. And I thought it might be fun to just take those rainbow colors and swirl them together. I probably will end up with something that looks a little brown because, you know, when you take all the colors of the rainbow and mix them together, you usually end up with a brown or a black color, but that's okay. This was a fun experiment. I wonder what would happen, though, if I did it again and used cold water or hot water instead of the room temperature water. I wonder if the colors would bleed slower with the cold water or faster with the hot water. I hope you try this at home and have fun with it. Bye.